Hey guys, Crazy here. So in this video I am going to show you how to create your very own Team Fortress 2 server. And yeah, let's jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is to create a new folder anywhere that you'd like. And then you want to open up your favorite browser and enter the following link, which you can find in the description. Now once you have downloaded it, you need to drag it into the folder that you have just created. You need to right click on it and extract it using your favorite archiver. Now you'll find that it extracts an exe file called steamcmd. Now you need to open up a new notepad document and paste in the following that you can find in the description. Then you want to select save as, browse to the folder where your steamcmd is located, and you want to type in TF2 and click save, like that. So you have a text file called tf2.txt. Now the next thing that you want to do is to paste in the following text in an empty notepad document. Press save as, and it's very important that you select all files down here. Now you want to type in update.bat and press save. Now you need to open update.bat. Do not open steamcmd.exe. Now this will basically download TF2, your server, and install it to a folder called TF2, which it will create once it's done. So just let that sit for a while. The time it takes depends on your internet speed, so it should take maybe about 20 minutes, maybe more, but yeah. And I will be right back when it's done downloading. Alright, it's done downloading. As you can see here, it says success, app 232250 fully installed. When it says that, just type in quit to exit the program. Okay, that didn't work too well. Oh well. Now you need to head over to this website, UPnP port mapper at sourceforge.net. You need this tool if you are not able to create a port forward. If you can create a port forward, you're gonna do that. I'm not gonna show you how to do that. That's very different. It depends on your router. But I use this program because my router is it supports UPnP, so we can use that to kind of forward a port. And you need to do this because when people try to join your server, your router will block access, because any connection to your computer that isn't on an open port, it will just decline it. The main reason for that is just it doesn't think that you want this guy to come in to your network, but we do want the people to go into your server through your network. So this is perfectly safe as long as you only have the server using that port. So go ahead and click download at the left hand side, and then you click on SourceForge page, and you need to download this. Yeah, it's a Java file, so you need to have Java installed in order to open that. And Chrome thinks it's very dangerous, this file. Let's just keep it and open it up. Now you need to click on create, and you need to open up a new CMD window command prompt. You can do that by hitting your Windows key and R and type in CMD like that, and type in ipconfig. Then you need to scroll up to the internet that you're using. I'm not using this one. Make sure you choose the right one. This is my IPv4 address. That's the one you're going to look at. You're going to look for this one. So instead of saying use localhost, because then it just used my my wrong one here for my virtual box. I don't want that. So type in this one over here, 192.168.0 and 128. Nice. and I want to give this a description, so I'll just call it TF2 server like that. And then I want to click on add, and protocol TCP, external port 27015 like that, and again, and I want to click add again, and I want to make a UDP connection. Then I will type in the same port again like that. Okay, press save. Now you need to click connect over here, and your Windows might block it. Just allow it like that, Windows firewall. And then you need to select in the list box TF2 server and click on use. Now, as you can see, it's added to the list here. If I click update, it's still there, so that works. Now that's good. Keep in mind that every time you restart your router, this will be cleaned, so you need to add this every time, but that's no problem, because next time you open Port Mapper, you will still have this thing over here, so you can just click connect and click use like that. Okay, so let's close down that program. Now you want to open up an empty notepad document, and you need to type in the following. You need to replace the IP address with your local IPv4 address, the one that we saw in the CMD window. And you can really select any port, but this port needs to be the same as the one in the port mapper. And here you can select which map you want, and here's the maxplayers. I have that to 24. Go ahead and click save as, and you need to save this inside TF2 server, and you need to select all files. It's pretty important. Now call this one start.bat and press save. Alright, so this is your file that you will use to start your server. Now you can create a shortcut for this on your desktop. Just hold down Shift and Control and drag it out like that. Now the server is starting like that, and I can just allow it like that. Windows Firewall blocks anything, you know. And it's working. So you should be able to join your server by opening a console window and type in connect space your IPv4 address that you used, colon 27015. And to make other people join, you should not give them your IPv4 address, because that's a local IP address. To get your IP address that people can join on, you need to go to ipchicken.com. Now this is my IP address. Now to connect, they basically, I can show you in a notepad document. They basically need to open up a console and connect to 7 like that, you see. And of course you can add this to your favorites and you'll be able to join that way. And well, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and in the next episode of how to set up your very own server, I am going to show you how to configure your server and put on plugins on it and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next one.